From the position of Tai Chi, move into Nin Diamond stance while you continue to support the recipient back with your hands. Then move into Warrior stance, maintaining contact with the recipient's back as you slide your left leg under the recipient's left arm. Use your left hand to gently move the recipient's head towards her left shoulder, exposing and gently stretching the right trapezius muscles. Forward rock and roll your right forearm along the right upper trapezius muscles, from the base of the neck to the shoulders. These postures relieve tension in the trapezius muscles and relaxes the shoulders. Recommended for Vata and Pitta.